Hey guys, welcome back to Kids Are Great Cooks. Today I'm going to show you how to peel a pomegranate. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a small serrated knife and I'm going to start cutting it up. What I'm going to do is place my pomegranate on the table sideways so that the tip is pointing outside. Now I'm going to cut either end of the pomegranate off. Now I'm going to cut very lightly on the edges just to cut off the outside layer. How you should cut this is about 3/4 of an inch away from each other, all around the edge. Remember, when you use a serrated knife, you want to make sure that you go in a forth and back motion, because if you don't, it's going to be very difficult to cut. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on top of my bowl. And I'm going to break it almost in half. Now I'm going to break that piece in half again and put those aside. Now I'm just going to do this over and over and over again until they're all about the size of this. You want to make sure you're gentle with this because you do not want to squeeze the juice out of the seeds. Flip it the other way around if you need to. If some pomegranate seeds get out of the bowl, that's okay. Now we're done. Now I'm going to take one of these and very gently, because as I said, you do not want to squeeze the juice out of the pomegranate seeds. If there's a big chunk of the white part of the pomegranate, you want to take that off. Remember, it's okay if some of the white pieces get into the bowl because we're going to take that away later. Now I'm going to move on to my next pomegranate. Now that I peeled the other pomegranate, I'm going to fill this up with a little bit of water so that all of the white pieces that got in here rise to the top and we can easily take them out now. I'm just trying to get all of the big pieces of the white out because the little ones won't really matter in the future. Great, now it's all done. I'm going to make some juice with this now.